there, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the I'm a Barbie girl Tik Tok trend, which is very popular, and the dance is actually very fast but also very easy to learn. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now, let's go. So, the very first thing we're going to hear is a car honk. So, our right hand goes forward and left one goes back like this. So first our left one is over here, then we're gonna switch and then return to the first position. So it's gonna be 1, 2, once again, 1, 2, once again, 1, 2. Okay, so after this we're gonna go 1, 2, pretend we are calling someone to come. Then we're gonna show an L with our right hand. Our hand goes over here on our forehead. And then we're gonna point backwards, like this. So it's gonna be honk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's gonna be fast, it's gonna look like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just practice it a couple times and you will get it. And now is when the actual dance starts. Because at the beginning they're just saying something, so we're just gonna do a few movements. And now the dance will start. So, what we're gonna do now is cross our arms, put them on our shoulders, then uncross, and then go up. Like, pretend we have a table here or something, so we're just pushing off that thing, that surface. And when we push off, instead of pushing off like this, our hands are together like this. So, like that, we're gonna push off. So, it's gonna look like this. Cross and cross up. Once again, cross and cross up. So let's start from the very beginning, just so we don't forget anything. So let's go. Honk, 1, 2, L, point. Backwards, cross and cross up. And now we're gonna go 1, 2. So first to the right, to the left. Once again, to the right, left. So let's just practice it a couple times. Right, left, right, left. So after this, remember, we are doing this only 2 times. Now we've done it a lot of times just to practice. So 1, 2, and now we're gonna go 1, side punch, and then click. So to do the side punch, we're not gonna do anything with our legs because sometimes we side punch like this, but right now we're just using our arms. Our left hand is in front of us, hands are in fists, and then right one just does a giant circle from behind us to here. So it's just like this, right? 1, 2, and then just click. When we click, we can either click like this or we can tilt forward a little bit. I prefer to do it like this, but you can do it how you like it. And now let's start from the very beginning. Honk, 1, 2, L, point. Backwards, cross and cross, up, right, left, side punch, click. So, after this, we're gonna do 1, 2. So to do this, we're gonna do a circle around our head with our right arm, like this. And then right arm does a big circle around us. Our arm is straight, as you can see, like that. And our palm goes forward, like this. It's looking forward. Okay, so let's just put it together. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so let's start from the very beginning again. Honk, 1, 2, L, point. Backwards, cross and cross up. Right, left, side punch, click, circle. So after the circle, we're gonna roll our arms inwards like this. Just 1, 2. We don't have to do a wave, or we can do a wave, however you want. So wave, and then just remember we don't have much time to roll our arms, so do it however you want, but just remember that we don't have much time. So after this, we're gonna go 1, 1, 2. So we have to pretend we are a robot. So our right hand goes in front of us first, and then left one. So we're gonna do 1, and then switch sides, and then we're gonna go forward 2 times. So 1, 2, like that. So 1, 1, 2. So let's start from the very beginning and we will go on. So let's go. Hunk, 1, 2, L, point backwards. When we point backwards, by the way, we can look backwards or we can look to the camera, however we want. So 1, 2, cross and cross, up, right, left, side punch, click, circle, roll, arms, left, right, right. So after right, right, we're gonna go cross and cross as we did before for this, but it's a little bit different. So we cross and cross, and then we're gonna go 1, 2. So with our fingers, we're gonna show the number 2 like this, and we are going 1, 2. So I don't know if you noticed, but when we go to the side, we're not doing it like this. We're just gonna bounce a little bit like that. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. So from here, it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's start from the very beginning and then we will go on. So let's go. Hunk, 1, 2, L, point, backwards, cross, and cross, up, right, left, side punch, click, circle, roll our arms, left, right, right, cross, and cross, 2, 2. So after the 2, 2, what we're gonna do is jump 2 times, not really high, because first it's gonna look weird, and second we don't have time to do it. We're just gonna go 1, 2. So if we jump high, then it's slower. So we're gonna go 1, 2. And then when we do both jumps, we're gonna go 1, 2, as we did before, like this, for this, right? We're gonna go 1, 2. So after this, we're gonna go up, down. So to do this, first for our arms, our left arm is straight, it's over here, hand is in a fist, and same with our other arm, but our right arm goes up and then down. It's like a half circle, right? Like that. So we're gonna start here and we go up, down. Once again, up, down. Right, and for our legs, we're gonna sit down in this position. I know it looks weird, but both our knees look to the sides, right knee looks to the right, left to the left. And then we're gonna twist our leg when we go up, and then we're gonna go like sit in this position as we did before, and then do the same thing. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. So just practice it and you will get it eventually. And now, let's start from the very beginning and we will move on because we don't actually have much left. So, let's go. Hunk, 1, 2, L, point, backwards, cross and cross, up, right, left, side punch, click, circle, roll our arms, left, right, right, cross and cross, 2, 2, jump, jump, up, down. So after we go up and down, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So to do this, first, our left hand is over here. We're gonna pretend we are shouting. You don't actually have to shout. Please don't wake up your neighbors. So after this, we're gonna go. So we go 1, then join. Then do the same thing with our right arm. So it's 1, 2, and then our hands go behind our head like this. They can be either like this or just together, however we want, like this. And then we're just gonna do a jump. So step on our right leg, like this. 1. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 1. So after this, we are going to, I'm gonna show you 2 more movements and then we'll do it from the very beginning. So we're gonna roll our arms. What we did before was roll them inwards, right? Now we're gonna roll them outwards. So 1, click, and let's do it from the very beginning and then I'm gonna show you what's next because we have about 2 movements left and that's it. So let's go. Hunk, 1, 2, L, point, backwards, cross, and cross, up, right, left, side punch, click, circle, roll, left, right, right, cross, and cross, 2, 2, jump, jump, up, down, 1, 2, 3, roll, click. So, you got that part? Roll, click. And now, our hands also go behind our head. So, now we're gonna do a step backwards and do the same thing as we did before for this, but we're just gonna twist our leg. 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Okay, and after this, 1, 2, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So, to do this, we are gonna, the first movement is stepping to the right with our right leg. Our hand does this circle like that, like this, and then right hand does a circle, and then it goes down like this. So it's like this, 1, 2, and then we're gonna do the same thing but to the other side, 3, 4, and that's the full dance. So we're gonna do it once again from the very beginning, and we're done. That's it. So let's go. Hug, 1, 2, L, point, backwards, cross, and cross, up, right, left, side punch, click, circle, roll, left, right, right, cross, and cross, 2, 2, jump, jump, up, down, 1, 2, 3, roll, click, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, and also comment what dances you want me to do next. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!